Hello everybody. Tonight I am making an Instapot chicken and rice. So basically this is a quick recipe, but you need to have everything cut and prepared and ready to throw in there. We've got half a cup of grated parm, we've got julienne carrots, we have onions, parsley, jasmine rice, chicken broth, and chopped up chicken. Okay, so basically, we're going to set this, plug it in, and we're going to set this on the saute button. Okay, saute. So basically, we're gonna put a tablespoon of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Add your chopped onion. Add your carrots. Teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're gonna let that heat up, and we are on saute mode, so that's what we're going to do here. And you just want to get the onions where they're translucent. Just has to heat up. Okay, I'm going to let that saute for a few minutes and then I'll come back and continue. Cheers. Okay, we are back. It's been 5 minutes and this is what we're looking like right now. And it just smells that warm, nutty butter flavor with the carrots and the caramelized onions. So now we are going to take our trimmed chopped chicken and put it on in there. We're gonna take another teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and we're gonna saute that another 5 minutes. So we will do that another 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, we're back. It's been 5 minutes. Now here's where the magic happens. We're gonna put in 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. 2 cups of jasmine rice. Now this jasmine rice is gonna make this almost taste like a, what's that rice called? Where you let it sit a long time. Anyway, okay. All right, we're gonna stir that all together. And then, all right, yes. Okay, almost looks like a soup. Oh yeah. Now, you have 2 halves garlic with the paper on, and we're just gonna stick them on top and float them. And it's gonna give it that garlic flavor that we all crave. Okay. This is the fun part.
Wrong way. Do something like that.
It's the fun part, but it's tricky if you haven't used it a lot. Give me a minute.
What is happening?
Some brands are just harder. Help.
One eternity later.
We were saved. Okay, basically you're gonna put this That is to seal the heat in. We don't want to let that go. And then we're going to put it on a high pressure. Pressure cook. Pressure cook? Not saute. No, not saute. Pressure cook. Pressure cook. Oh, that says 15. We don't want it 15 minutes. We just want it 10. Okay. Now, the pressure has to build up for a few minutes. That takes the longest, so we will be right back. Okay, we're back. It has air pressured on high for 10 minutes. Now we need to let out the steam. This is the fun part. I would use a towel so you don't burn yourself. Ow.
Why did you put your hand over it?
I don't know. Don't do that. But facial?
No. You'll burn yourself.
That's how it all cooks. This air pressure. That's why it's called an instant pot. Cooks it all together. And it cooks it all in one. I have no dishes. No dishes. I mean, a few things in there, but not enough to matter. All right, while that's letting out, we'll take a break. Okay, so now we've let the steam out. Now I'm going to bring the... Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take those garlic bulbs out. If some of the garlic falls out, that's fine, because some people like those whole garlics in their food. But we're going to try to dig that out. And I'm going to leave a few of the garlic cloves in there just because I like garlic. All right, now we are going to Parmesan. That was half a cup of grated Parmesan. Shredded Parmesan. This is a 1/3 cup of Italian parsley.
Let us eat.
And we're going to mix all that together. Jaden, can you please film this beauty?
He won't let us eat.
No, right here.
You should
Show
just
the
face in
inside.
front of the camera and
Show
go,
the
"I'm so
inside.
hungry."
Make sure you show it.
It's
Okay. And there.
yum.
Stop.
Let me eat. It's not fair.
Put it back. And that is your chicken. It's cheesy. Oh, it's like risotto.
Dude, can you pull TikTok for the commercial?
Okay.
Let us eat.
That's it. Let me plate it up and show you the finished product.
It is good.
Yep. Chicken and rice.
It is good.
Thank you for joining me in my kitchen tonight. The Instapot's an amazing tool as well as an air fryer. Yeah, so cheers.
I love when Mom makes stuff for the Instapot.